Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. Got a very short video tutorial for you today that will show you how to add Google reviews to Weebly. Just before I get into it, if you want to add Google reviews to your own Weebly site and create one from scratch for absolutely free, then there's a link down below in the description that will allow you to do so. So give that link a go and that will take you through to a free trial version of Weebly. So for today's tutorial, we're going to utilize something called Elf Site, and once you've logged into that, it's completely free to use. You can have one widget on the go for free. So you can see that I've got a couple here. What you'll need to do is make sure that you go to social and then reviews, and that will allow you then to create a Google review widget, which we're going to embed on our Weebly website using a little bit of embed code. So this allows you to create a widget from scratch, using some of these templates here that look like most of the kind of embedded reviews that you'd normally see on a website. So we're going to choose that one for the purposes of this review. So your business name is going to need to be added at this stage so we can link the right reviews. So I'm just going to hit up one of my favorite food spots. I'm going to select that, and you can see that that's populated that widget with reviews for that particular business. There's settings for the layout, settings for how the review appears as to what information to display, hide or show. The basic appearance of it you can change as well as some of the other basic settings to it. Once you're happy and you've designed your widget the way you want it to look, hit save, and then that will appear in your list of widgets. When you hit add to website, this is the little piece of code here that we want. So that will allow us to link that onto our website. So back into Weebly, and once you're in your website editor, in the build menu, hit the little embed code element. Okay, so it's right there on the basic menu. Click and drag that into our website, and then once it appears, you can give that a single left click, edit the custom HTML and paste that code in. So it's Control and V on a PC, Command and V on a Mac. Once you click away, that should appear. For whatever reason, on every browser-based website editor that I've ever used, when I embed some code like that, it never displays. So I got to refresh the page, and usually what happens then is that it appears out of nowhere, like this one is doing so. If you've got that problem where it doesn't display, first of all, then just refresh the page and you can see it's kind of like building it from scratch for us. That concludes the tutorial. So if you want to use Weebly for absolutely free, you can click the link in the description down below, and that will allow you to access a free trial version. If you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of this nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them as comments down below as well. Don't forget to hit publish, and that will make your reviews public. Thanks very much.